Good afternoon. My name is Brahma Mahdi. I'm with People's Community Market. I've been working to increase access to healthy fresh foods in underserved neighborhoods for the last 10 years. The majority of my work has been in West Oakland, right here in the San Francisco Bay. West Oakland has 25,000 residents who are predominantly African American and Latino. West Oakland residents spend $58 million a year on groceries, which is enough spending power to support multiple food retail stores in the area. Nonetheless, West Oakland is underserved by 70% of its demand for groceries, and over $40 million in food spending leaks out of the community going to stores in other areas. This means that residents, many who don't own a vehicle, are either traveling far to get to supermarkets or shopping at nearby corner stores that carry mostly processed, poor quality foods at high prices. These limited food choices are contributing to near-crisis levels of diet-related disease in the neighborhood, such as obesity and diabetes. However, at the same time, West Oakland residents are making connections between their diets and their health, and are increasingly demanding healthier food choices. So 10 years ago, my friend Malika Edwards and I founded a nonprofit called People's Grocery, which some of you heard about this morning from Melissa Bradley. Our first project was the nation's first mobile market. We converted a delivery truck into a colorful food store on wheels. Oops, there it is. A colorful food store on wheels that carried a mix of fresh and packaged foods and drove around the neighborhood, stopping at various central locations. It was great for gathering insight and building relationships in the neighborhood. People's Grocery has developed other food projects over the years, such as produce stands, neighborhood gardens, and a fresh produce program called the Grub Box, which runs today delivering 150 boxes of fresh produce a week. So for almost 10 years, People's Grocery has been developing and testing out solutions to the food needs of the neighborhood. And all along that way, we've been engaging residents, listening to their feedback, gathering insight into their specific wants and needs, and incorporating that knowledge toward the goal of opening a grocery store. A year ago, we began planning our retail business called People's Community Market. And we've come up with a retail concept that we believe can effectively serve West Oakland and sees a sizable market opportunity to create a financially viable enterprise with nearly 50 employees. A central premise in creating People's Community Market is that supermarket chain stores aren't well designed for the specific characteristics and needs of low-income neighborhoods, and as a result face particular barriers and vulnerabilities in these markets. These are some of the issues that supermarket chains face in low-income areas. We believe that new business models are needed that can better address these issues and the specific needs that low-income residents have. We also see that independent grocers who are locally rooted and have local knowledge can better mitigate these issues and undertake the kind of deeper engagement necessary to succeed in these communities. So we're creating People's Community Market to demonstrate the viable solutions crafted specifically for West Oakland. We plan to build a 12,000 square foot pavilion. This simpler and smaller design will reduce our construction costs, match our merchandising to the smaller fill-in purchases of low-income shoppers, and enable us to place the store in an optimal location in the neighborhood. We have found a site that's ideal for the store. It's at a very busy intersection, has the highest population density in the area, and has good access by foot and public transportation. And the owners are very interested in leasing to us once we've secured financing. Our store will still be large enough to provide adequate selection for our customers' shopping needs. We'll carry a full line product assortment with broad selection and food goods across all categories. We'll target our product mix to the specific wants and needs of the community, which includes fresh produce and perishable products such as meat, seafood, dairy, and cheese. Our plan is to procure perishable products in volume directly from producers in order to keep the prices lower. Our full-service deli will also be a key offering and will feature a unique menu targeted to the cultural interests of the area. We believe that a strong prepared foods program that features ethnic foods that the community loves will bring many more people into the store. More than a grocery store. This is a central principle of the People's Community Market brand. It's the idea that food stores can do more beyond food retail to support their communities, that they can provide great customer experiences, positive social space and opportunities for social interaction, and services and education for improving health. Our plans are being designed to address these needs, not only because we have a social mission, but because we believe that these offerings will actually enhance our value proposition and make us a destination in the neighborhood. Our financial projections estimate that we'll reach positive net income in year 2 and 1.5% net income off of $10 million in sales by maturity in year 5. These targets are consistent with both industry averages and analogous stores. Our total capital raise is $3 million. About 2/3 of that is going to go towards construction and equipment. The rest is for starting inventory, pre-launch expenses, and working capital. We're seeking both private investments and institutional loans. Finally, we've put together a leadership team that includes individuals who have decades of experience in the grocery and food service business, and they're committed to making this venture a success and bringing tremendous expertise to it. So I thank you for your time, and I hope you see an opportunity of getting involved in a venture that will make a positive impact in West Oakland and beyond. Thank you.